What up, y'all? This is Cone Polisher, and I'm gonna make this fast and quick. I went to Puerto Rico. I stopped at a town called Rincon. I visited a place called El Faro, very beautiful, a lighthouse. It's a lighthouse point, but it's like a nice spot to chill. They have drinks, they have a little bar section, a beach around, and like, you know, a good atmosphere, but a beautiful view. They take care of that, everything. It's just nice. You gotta go check it out for yourself, but I took a drone out there, and I recorded one end to the other end, and I hope you guys like it. Check it out.